I want to take you on a journey into something so beautiful, so captivating that it holds a secret about the way we see the world, and maybe, just maybe, a secret about how we see ourselves. So let me ask you this. What if the one thing you were most drawn to, the thing that just shimmered with this incredible, almost magical light, what if that thing held a hidden, lethal power? Now this isn't some riddle, it's a reality we're about to uncover together. Just imagine, you see it, your eyes lock onto it, and you just can't look away. It's not just blue, it's this electric blue, a colour that seems to pulse with life itself, like a living jewel perfectly crafted. And then that feeling gets stronger, right? The world around you just kind of fades into the background, and your whole focus narrows down to those brilliant, vibrant rings. You feel this strange pull, this almost magnetic desire to get closer, to just understand its beauty. And in that moment, the urge is almost primal. You want to reach out, to touch it, to hold this tiny masterpiece of the ocean in your hand. It seems so delicate, so harmless, doesn't it? But acting on that impulse, well, that's where our lesson truly begins. What we're talking about and what we're experiencing here is the hypnotic allure of the blue-ringed octopus. We're talking about a creature so small it could literally fit in the palm of your hand, and yet it puts on one of the most spectacular light shows in all of nature. It's no wonder it's fascinated us for ages. But now we have to completely flip the script, because behind this breathtaking beauty, behind this incredible facade, lies one of the ocean's most powerful truths. This beautiful little creature is one of the most venomous marine animals in the entire world. And this right here is nature's great deception. What your eyes perceive as this tiny, gorgeous and totally harmless creature in reality is a vessel of unbelievable power. A power so profound that a single touch, a single encounter could be your very last. Just think about that for a second. The sheer scale of that power. This isn't just some threat we're talking about. There is enough potent toxin in one single animal from one tiny bite to kill 26 fully grown adults. Let that number sink in. 26. So what is this stuff? It's called tetrodotoxin. And what's really wild is the octopus doesn't even make it itself. It's produced by bacteria that lives in its salivary glands. But here's the most chilling fact of all. There is no antidote. None. Once it's in your system, there is nothing that can reverse its effects. So what happens when this little beauty turns lethal? Well, the experience is a silent, creeping takeover of your body, and it's unlike anything you can possibly imagine. Often the bite itself is so small, so painless, you might not even notice it. But then the toxin goes to work. It starts blocking the signals of your nerves to your muscles, and that leads to total body paralysis. And here's the truly terrifying part. The victim remains fully conscious, completely aware of everything happening, but totally unable to move, speak, or even blink. Eventually, the venom paralyzes the diaphragm, the muscles that control your breathing, and without the ability to breathe, death can happen in as little as 30 minutes, all from a simple lack of oxygen. A silent, conscious end brought on by something so incredibly beautiful. Okay, but listen, this is not a story about fear. This is a story about empowerment, because understanding a threat is always the first step to mastering it. So let's build your survival blueprint right now. First things first, awareness. You've got to know where this danger hides. You'll find these creatures all over the Pacific, from Japan all the way down to Australia. They love tide pools and shallow reefs, usually hiding out under rocks or little crevices during the day, and then they come out to hunt at night. Now, what's absolutely crucial to understand is this. The blue-ringed octopus is not a monster. It doesn't hunt people. It wants nothing to do with us. Danger only arises when we provoke it by mistake, by accidentally stepping on it, or worse, by trying to pick it up. Your awareness is your greatest shield. And if the unthinkable actually happens, this is where knowledge becomes true power. The toxin paralyzes, yes, but it doesn't have to be a death sentence. The absolute key is to remain calm and to keep the brain supplied with oxygen. If breathing stops, you perform resuscitation. You literally breathe for the victim, and that can help keep them alive long enough for the toxin to wear off. And get this, with this action, a full recovery is possible. You can be the difference between life and death. So, we've been on a journey, haven't we? From fascination to fear and now to empowerment. But the final stop of our journey together is the most important one. It's about wisdom. What is the deeper lesson that these beautiful azure rings are trying to teach us? The lesson is this. Perception is not reality. What appears to be most beautiful, most alluring on the surface can actually conceal a profound danger. It's a powerful reminder that the most attractive things in life often demand our deepest respect and our full understanding. You see, this is a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call to look beyond the surface in our own lives. I want you to ask yourself, what ideas, what habits, what people, or even what relationships seem so attractive on the outside but might hold a hidden danger if we don't handle it with awareness and with respect? So I'm going to leave you with this, one question to reflect on. What are the blue rings in your life? What beautiful deceptions might you be overlooking simply because you are captivated by what you see on the surface? The answers? They could change everything for you. Thank you for not just watching, but for taking time to empower yourself, because knowledge like this isn't just trivia. It's a tool for a safer and a much more conscious life. And now you have the ability to empower others. By liking this video, you help more people just like you discover it. By subscribing, you continue your journey of learning these vital lessons from the world all around us. But most importantly, by sharing this with someone you love, you might just be sharing the knowledge that could one day save a life. Please share your own thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching.
Octopus, a siren sweet call, enticing, enchanting, yet deadly.